Shawty my drop top, yeah, shawty in my drop top, yeah, we stick connected like a hot spot, yeah, she really wanna ride away, yeah, let's just move away, yeah, shawty in my drop top, yeah, she stick connected like a hot spot, said she wanna move out to LA, yeah, good thing that I'm paid, yeah, say you don't believe in me, but you really wanna sleep with me. Well, it's good thing you ain't feeding me. Cause I can see you leaving me. Living in the sky. Yeah, running too much cause I'm too.
Good morning, family. Welcome to our last full day in Accra. Okay, in Ghana, actually, not Accra, in Ghana. You guys, I've had such a good time. Thank God. Thank God that I feel much better. But yes, today is our last full day. Currently, we're heading to breakfast and then we're going to the eastern region today. So we're probably going to visit a cocoa farm. We're going to see a waterfall and then a park and then come back and then head to the beach, pack our stuff, and that's it for Ghana. Okay, I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog so far. I wanted to relax, but I'm glad that I didn't just relax. So I'm very grateful to Mavi, because if it was only me, I'd have done maybe one activity or two, but she has allowed me, the way she planned it has allowed me to see things that it would have not even been on my radar. So I really enjoyed this trip. I really enjoyed this trip. So yes, come along with us as we head to breakfast and all that. So let me show you my outfit. You guys have probably seen this before. I've worn it. It's a two-piece. It's quite big. Okay, I got it in size 18, thinking that it would be big as per, palazzo big, but this is he's swimming. I'm swimming inside this, but this is what it is, sha. But I guess it's a vibe. So this green number, silver jewelry, mix and match gold and silver because of my ring, my bangle, everything. And then my slippers or my sandals, Steve Madden, silver as well to go with everything. And then I have this, I have my purse, my Ralph Lauren purse. Okay, so I'll catch you guys later. All right. So I don't know. I'm thinking either I think I'm going to wear my green glasses, my green shades, not the black ones, but I'll carry the black ones just in case. I want to change the vibe. Anyway, guys, I'm so excited for today, and yeah, I know it's going to be a few hours. It's like 2.5 hours drive, so I can even sleep on the way, edit and stuff. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Born out of faith, in a world that never floods without flame.
Everything's burning down.
One in the same, everything just seems to follow the same. We fuck up, won't change.
Okay, I know that every day your life's no more than a test. Roll out of bed and stay alive and bring back another chance. Our livelihood depends on dollar bills, work yourself to death. Life can't get better than this. Life this is good.
We are back at Black Star Square because we didn't get enough pictures yesterday. So I want to quickly take pictures first before we head out to the trip. That breakfast, oh my God, we had to do takeaway. It was so good. So good. So good. So we're taking pictures now and then we'll head out. Bye.
Life this is good.
Oh, what a time to be alive. Oh, what a time, oh, what a time. Oh, what a time to be alive.
If you ain't noticed, I keep on losing focus and faith and hope. So I just keep on hoping that I'll notice some change in my emotions. It may be dopamine in my brain, so I don't keep on waking up thinking.
So where are you taking us?
Oh no, I just want to all spice trees,
Okay.
like cinnamon, peppermint trees,
Okay.
like all these spices.
And
that
they're
we
all
use in-
protected. People can't come here to.
Yes, they are
Oh,
all protected.
okay. See.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And there you go. This one is like a walkway. Sometimes people use it for like weddings. So as an owl. Yeah.
It's so beautiful. It will have like a nice picture. Let me show you guys the walkway she's talking about. I'm sure some birds have their nests on top of this place. Yeah, it's very beautiful.
And mostly you'll see this blue, like today the flowers are not even a lot. The flowers would have many. So when you take a picture,
it will be
like,
so lovely.
yeah, very nice.
Which one?
Them down. And then when you are able to get to the top, you become the king. The king is at the top.
That guy.
Yes. So in this life, it talks about like there are so many lessons to learn from the tree of life. When you are trying to get to the top, there are some people who bring you down. There are some people that will help you to go up. But in all, you need people. You need people in this life to take you to the top. You can't do it on your own. And if you automatically get to the top, you now become king and the ruler of
Everyone.
Yeah.
But who carved this? You don't know the history of who did it?
Yes, I don't know the history of who carved it. But yeah, it's been here for some time
Yeah, shawty in my drop top. Yeah, we stay connected like a hot spot. That she really wanna ride away. Yeah, let's just move away. Yeah, shawty in my drop top. Yeah, she stay connected like a hot spot. Said she wanna move out to LA. Yeah, good thing that I'm paid. Yeah. Say you don't believe in me, but you really wanna sleep with me. Well, it's good thing you ain't feeding me, cause I can see you leaving me. Living in the sky, yeah, rolling too much cash, I'm too high. Look up in my eyes and see no lies. Yeah, I'm too real, I can't lie, let's run away now. I just hope you're never on the way out. Let her hold my money, she my PayPal, and I don't really think she understands. Yeah, I can't be your man. Doing whatever I can. Yeah, now you're a fan. Shawty in my drop top.
Yes, we are at the waterfall now.
Yeah, we are at the Aseme waterfalls.
Cinema waterfall.
And we are in the eastern region.
How far is it from Accra?
It's about
3 hours.
2 hours,
2 hours, okay.
from Accra. In Ghana, the eastern region and the Volta region have the most waterfalls. In the eastern region, there are more than 8 waterfalls here. Some are not even discovered. And this is one of the private waterfalls we have in Ghana. Yeah, so initially women were not allowed to come here when they were on their period, because they said the gods were not, but now it's open. It like the women, both men and women can come here. And then also in 2019 was when it was open to the public. So initially it was only the community that used to come here. But now since 2019 it got open to the general public. And the reason why I like this waterfall is because there's no hike. From the entrance you can just walk like 3 to 5 minutes and you are at the water. But some of the waterfalls you have to hike an hour, some 4 hours, some you need to climb 500 stairs. So climb up and down.
You guys, There's water flowing everywhere. You can hear the sound of water everywhere.
The water is clean this time. You know that time that water is
Wow.
the water.
Give me my change back. Give me my change now. Let's be going. So that instead of the big one, the balance of the money. Yeah. Hey fam, hey guys, so we are done with the waterfall. I had to change because I was wet. That was such an amazing experience. I'm so glad we did that. We couldn't make it to the cocoa farm because we have a lot of things that we still have to do, and today is our last night here and we're leaving tomorrow. So we're just at this place to have lunch. I'll find out the name and tag it here, and the scenery is just, oh my god, it's just so beautiful. So yeah, let me take you around and show you what this place looks like. Okay, all right, bye guys.
Begin talk am.
All right, so this is
So-
water with soap, then lemon, and this is clean, also with lemon. So you first use the lemon, so it takes off any odor on your hand.
Come on, because I don't chop fish. That's how I be dey fear say this fish man don't chop, so go begin smell with me. But guy, they don't give me lemon and lemon fresh water.
This is Money Fresh Pro Max. Money Fresh Pro Max. So that's it for the Hillbury, guys. Thank you so much. I had so much fun. And now we are heading to the beach, right? We are heading to the beach for our last brouhaha in Ghana. I am so excited, guys. Whew. Lovely. Let's go.